In this video, I'm going to show you a few different ways to get free coins in Pocket FM. I'm also going to get you some working coupon codes as well, so keep watching and let's begin with the video. The first thing you can do is click on your profile up at the top. From there, select Earn Rewards. Now you can see that you can play some puzzle games and earn up to 1,000 coins. Then you also have this ads pack. So you can earn rewards by watching ads. For each ad, you get 1 coin if you choose the first pack. Another thing you can do is click on the Store button at the bottom. Here, you can see that if you upgrade to the Bronze tier, you'll get 5% extra coins on all packs. Then, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see different coin packs. And with each pack, you'll get more free coins. So, for example, with 29 coins for £3, you can get 38 coins for free. Lastly, if you scroll all the way down, you can enter a coupon code and get some free coins as well. These are some working coupon codes right now that are up and running, so go ahead and claim your reward. Just make sure to try these coupons as soon as possible because they'll only work for a limited time. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.